Let's have some
sugar-free, add fresh fruit, exactly the same deliciousness as normal food is.
have some fun.
Mr. Nutrition, the kids thought of it.
Really?
The kids drive open house. They work with their culinary teacher, Mr. Hellman, and out of that has come their tag of what Ellington Unplugged is all about.
Using honey instead of sugar and making things gluten-free, grain-free, just incorporating healthier ingredients overall.
Ingredients are so healthy, then you can just taste that it's like original. There's no additives. You can't taste any chemicals.
I don't know. I think Ellington Unplugged is a really good idea for parents and students to just take a break from social media.
I went and got lunch today alone somewhere quick, and I just put my phone down and ate.
Yeah, I think definitely staying off the phone is going to be a big deal.
Kind of what we're trying to get at to bring more awareness to it.
It's a matter of changing the mindset and what's healthy and what's not.
You wouldn't necessarily think of meatloaf being vegetarian because meat obviously uses lentils and potatoes and celery.
Everyone's really open to the healthy idea. It was really fun to create it and just trying this process all together. I would definitely incorporate this into my normal daily life.
Our first performance of the year is 30 by 60, which is 30 student-written plays in 60 minutes. It's a race against the clock. It's super fun. It's